Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Regan talking. Starting this month, we're going to try something new. We're going to be watching for character traits. Character traits are things that you exhibit and how you act. And we're going to be mindful of specifically the traits in our Code of Cooperation. This month, we're going to be watching for students who are kind and respectful. Now, most of you have probably heard me read this book as I've tried to visit classrooms, and it's a great book talking about how you can be a bucket filler. And a great way is finding things that are kind and respectful to others that will make them happy and fill their bucket. And along doing that, you're filling your bucket too. So good luck to this challenge. We're going to be watching for students who are exhibiting these characters. Thank you.
We are kind. We are respectful.
I like your heart because you add all the colors